Welcome to the Gallery of Human Sustainability's special talk show, where we explore the cosmos to inspire a sustainable future for humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to journey 7,500 light-years away, because the Hubble Space Telescope has given us a jaw-dropping view straight out of a cosmic dream. Now picture this, a towering cloud of cold gas and dust, rising like a majestic sculpture from the heart of the Carina Nebula. That's a massive, chaotic star factory located in the southern skies of the Carina constellation. And when I say massive, I mean this thing is epic. This isn't just a pretty picture, this is a stellar nursery. Inside this colossal pillar, new stars are being born as we speak. Hot, young stars nearby are blowing intense winds and firing off ultraviolet radiation, shaping the cloud into a surreal landscape. It's like nature's own special effects studio. Here's the cool part. The lighter parts of the nebula get blown away, but the denser gas resists and stands strong, forming those iconic pillar shapes. And hidden deep inside these thick clouds? Baby stars forming in the shadows. As each protostar forms, it pulls in gas and dust from a swirling disk around it. Some of that material gets funneled into jets that shoot out from the top and bottom, like little cosmic fireworks marking the birth of a star. It's wild. It's beautiful. And it's all happening right now in the Carina Nebula, a real-life sci-fi scene brought to you by NASA and the incredible Hubble Space Telescope. Want a version with multiple hosts, sound cues, or themed segme? Welcome to the Cosmic Wonders Live. And hold on to your telescopes, folks, because we're heading 7,600 light-years away to witness one of the most breathtaking sights ever captured in space. Thanks to NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and its super-powered Enarcom, we've got front-row seats to what's being called the cosmic cliffs in the Carina Nebula. And let me tell you, this isn't your average mountain range. No. What looks like jagged cliffs under moonlight. It's actually a wall of gas and dust at the edge of a vast star-forming region known as NGC 3324. Imagine a massive, glowing cavity, carved out by the searing ultraviolet radiation and ferocious stellar winds from young, hot stars. These stars are beasts. They're up there, just out of view, sculpting the walls of this nebula like celestial artists with blowtorches. Now check this out. That steamy glow rising from the mountains? It's actually hot ionized gas and dust being blasted away by radiation. Those towering pillars? They're fighting back, resisting erosion and standing tall in the face of a stellar storm. And see those golden streaks? Those are jets and outflows from brand new baby stars, still wrapped in their dusty blankets. You've got bubbles, cavities, and even what scientists are calling a blowout at the ridge's peak. A cosmic eruption sending gas and dust flying into deep space. Oh, and don't miss the mysterious arched structure, like some kind of interstellar bendy straw. Thanks to Webb's ultrasensitive infrared eyes, we can now see hundreds of hidden stars, not to mention distant galaxies twinkling in the background. This is early star formation in action, folks. A blink of an eye in cosmic time, lasting just 50,000 to 100,000 years. But now, we've got it frozen forever in stunning infrared detail. And get this gorgeous patch of the sky was first catalogued back in 1826 by James Dunlop. It's visible from the southern hemisphere, right near the infamous supergiant Eta Carinae in the massive Carina Nebula. So if you're not already staring at an amazing picture on your screen, now's the time. Because thanks to Webb, we're watching the universe give birth to stars in real time. Stay tuned, because the cosmos? It's just getting started. Alright space fans, crank up the volume because this Hubble Friday, we're going full metal, cosmic style. Today, we're shining the spotlight on NGC 6496, a glittering 10.5 billion-year-old globular cluster that's throwing one of the most metal concerts in the universe. And I mean that literally, this cluster is packed with heavy metal stars. Now, before you imagine stars with guitars and mohawks, let me explain. In astronomy, metals don't mean iron and steel like here on Earth. Nope. In the cosmic world, anything heavier than hydrogen or helium gets labeled a metal. And these stars? They're loaded with it. Most globular clusters are full of ancient, low-metal stars. But in GC 6496, it's the rebel of the family. These stars are metal-rich, and that gives astronomers a unique peek into how stars evolve over time and where they pick up all that heavy stuff. But wait, there's more. This cluster isn't just metal, it's also moody. And GC 6496 is home to variable stars, stars that don't like to keep the same stage lighting. Some are long-period variables. Imagine a red giant that slowly pulses in and out, taking over 1,000 days just to change brightness. And then you've got short-period eclipsing binaries, where one star passes in front of another and dims the light, like a celestial light show. By studying those brightness changes, scientists can figure out a star's mass, size, brightness, temperature, even its chemical makeup, stuff we couldn't measure any other way. It's like getting backstage passes to the lives of stars. Now here's a bit of trivia. This cosmic mosh pit was first discovered way back in 1826 by Scottish astronomer James Dunlop. And if you're in the southern hemisphere, look up in the constellation Scorpius, the Scorpion, and you might just be facing this metal masterpiece about 35,000 light-years away. So, whether you're into rock, jazz, or space opera, one thing's for sure, Hubble just gave us a front-row seat to the universe's most ancient and metal concert.